In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add outline in Pixlr. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Pixlr, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your image a clean, professional-looking outline that really makes it stand out. First, open your web browser and go to the Pixlr editor. Once you're there, upload or open the image that you want to outline. This method works best if your image doesn't have a background or if it's on a transparent background, like a cutout logo or character. If your image still has a background, you can still add an outline, but it may not look as crisp around the edges. Once your image is open in the editor, look toward the top of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, and so on. Click on Edit. A drop-down menu will appear with several tools and adjustments you can use. From this dropdown, choose the option called Stroke. This is the tool that lets you create an outline around your image. When you click Stroke, a pop-up window will appear. This window contains all the settings you need to customize your outline. In the pop-up, you'll see a color option. Next to the word color, there should be a small color swatch. Click that swatch to open the color picker. Here, you can choose exactly the color you want for your outline. You can either pick a bright color to make the image pop, or a simple black or white outline for a cleaner, more minimal look. Take a moment to experiment with different colors until you find one that works with your design. You'll also see settings for the size and opacity of the outline. The size controls how thick the outline will appear around your image. Drag the slider or type in a value to increase or decrease the thickness. A smaller value creates a subtle, thin outline, while a larger value gives a bold, heavy border. Opacity controls how solid or transparent the outline looks. At 100%, the outline is fully solid. Lowering the opacity will make it more see-through and softer, which can be useful if you want a more blended effect. When you're happy with the color, size, and opacity, click Apply. Pixlr will then add the outline around your image based on the settings you chose. Take a final look to make sure it matches the style you're going for. If you want to tweak it, you can undo and repeat the process with different settings. And that's it. You've successfully added an outline to your image in Pixlr.